So one of the most common bases for exponential functions is something that's called the natural base, and that is the number e. So you may have seen e before. It's used in many applications, such as carbon dating. If you take a finance course, it's in continuous compound interest. And it's an irrational number, like pi, although it's not as popular as pi. So pi, everybody knows, is approximately 3.14, and the formula is the circumference divided by the diameter of a circle. Now e is approximately 2.72. So we will not be having an E day like we have a pi day on March 14th. Now the formula, that is kind of a big formula. It's 1 plus 1 over n raised to the n, and this is as n goes to infinity. Or you can think about this as n becomes large. So if you plug in 1,000,000 for n in this formula, then it's going to get very, very close to 2.72. So our calculator has an e key, and they want us to graph it. So if you go to y equals and do e raised to the x, and it's second ln. So the ln key right next to the 4. If you do second ln, it's e to the x. And if we graph it, it really doesn't look any different from our other exponential functions. So the exponential functions, the graphs, they all look pretty similar. There's slight differences with like the how quickly they're increasing, but the shape is basically pretty much always the same.